After too much time apart, we're all hungry for more connection. And there's one iconic meal that always brings us together. But how do you keep a classic original? Make the impressive effortless and the simple versatile? Introducing the Chicken Stone. This beautiful new kitchen tool makes it easier and quicker to roast a delicious whole bird, up to 50% faster, while infusing the meat with moisture and flavor. Its patented technology uses the basic principle of thermal conduction in a new and effective way that we call inside-out cooking. Here's how it works. The Chicken Stone holds any combination of flavorings that you dream up. Then it sits inside the chicken during cooking. The ceramic body heats up quickly, cooking the bird from the inside, while your oven or grill roasts it from the outside. Our sister product, the Turkey Stone, helps you achieve the same great results for an even larger crowd. So now you can take any occasion to the next level. From weeknight dinners and weekend barbecues to special celebrations, enjoy the process more and worry less about the results. These stones are simple and safe. They're made of high-quality porcelain ceramic using the time-tested technique of slip casting. Then they're fired twice to temperatures over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. So the final pieces are strong, lightweight, and durable. And the vibrant, food-grade glaze is easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Plus, with their artistic lines, these pieces will stand out in any kitchen, even when they're not in use. The stone's inventor is an engineer, artist, and avid home cook. Together with his business partners and a team of expert advisors, he's refined the design over years, with an eye to both form and function. We're proud to have won multiple international design and innovation awards, and thrilled to be back on Kickstarter after completing a highly successful campaign for the Turkey Stone, in which we delivered on time to our valued backers. Our trusted manufacturer shares our quality standards. The design is done, we're carefully vetting samples, and the tooling is underway. This is a beautiful piece that you'll be proud to own or give as a gift. With your support, we look forward to sharing the Chicken Stone with creative cooks everywhere. Please join us.